What's up, guys? Pablo here at Speed Performance today. This is one of our customers' cars that we actually built. He went from a 2.3 to a 2.5 liter. We actually made 558 on pump gas using a Corksport, what was it?
CST6.
CST6. And also this is a Nissan here.
Yeah, Nissan from Wish.
So it was using a Corksport CST6. Basically pump gas, pretty much hot in the shop, like 80 to 90 degrees in here. Made 558 on pump to the wheels, okay, at 29 psi too. So anyways, so pretty much this motor here has cams in it. It's sleeved. We're actually using a Mazda block though. Some people go ahead and use NA25 block. But primarily we use the Mazda block though, because of the fact is that the NA sleeves don't hold up on the 2.5s. They end up breaking, falling apart, and you can't make that power. So with that says, this is basically using the JMF as you can see here. And still using the factory returnless intake pump system that comes on these cars. It just has an upgraded intake pump, which is an AEM. Which is pretty, it's good for, that setup like this though, maybe like 600. But like I said, we did this on 93 though. So what we're going to do is go ahead and actually do it on E30 or E51, something like that, depending. But here you guys check it out. See it here, Corksport CST6 558. That's right. On pump at 29 psi. On a setup like this, if you had something that was a little bit more efficient, what I'm meaning by more efficient is exhaust system that flows like a Corksport 3-inch or 3.5 inch that they have. They have 3.5 inch now, right?
Yep, for the Gen1.
Yep, 3.5 inch. And if you had like a Corksport manifold too, and a catless downpipe, it would have been good. And not to mention, this was done on a catted downpipe, meaning it has a cat on it. Pretty much, he's happy with it. And
who wouldn't be with 558 on pump? You could drive to the gas station, don't have to mix anything, just fill up and leave. Yeah. You got 560. So
we have our split-second controller here. It's basically powering up the port injection. So let me explain something to you. A lot of people ask and call up though, say, hey, do I need a surge tank set up or blah, 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 If you're trying to make 600, and you're trying to be at that and you have like a 2.5 with cams that we offer, pretty much you don't need it, just have your regular intake fuel pump with a DW300 or AEM and JMF or PI and call it a day. So what we're going to do is, not this week, obviously this week is ended, it's Friday.
On the next video.
We'll
tune it for E50.
We tune it for it, right?
Yep.
Nissan, you got it?
Yep, I'll tune it for E50.
Alrighty.
Nissan.
Yeah. But yeah.
It's pretty much the works,
Pretty much the works.
Pretty much a bolt-on setup besides the 2.5, obviously. But obviously you can make the power on the 2.5, and it's pretty much a solution for those that do not have E85 in their area but want to make over 500. That's what we push in the 2.5 to help you guys out. Yeah.
So this motor here is pretty much solid. I mean, we've been producing a couple 2.5s and stuff like that.
There's a lot in the United States right now. A lot in the United States.
It is like a Facebook group too, I think, right?
Yeah, MZR 2.5.
Yeah, they got some good info in there, good information on there. But these are our pistons from Mali that we worked with, and mainly rods. We went with H stuff though, because obviously the amount of torque that these produce. You can see here, which was 459.
Oh, I should say too. Before this had a BNR S4 turbo last week. It made,
but the older version though.
The older version. Version 1, yeah.
Version 1, yeah.
It made 440, if I'm not mistaken, at 3,500 RPM.
You sure it was 3,100?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Which is crazy.
But yeah, so this CTS6 here though, I think it's spooling up at I think it was hit full spool around like 34, somewhere around there. I don't know. But yeah, somewhere around there. But like I said, you know, if you had a Corksport 3.5 exhaust system on this, and
It'll breathe a lot better.
you know, instead of a Cobb small intercooler here, you know, have a nice TR, what was it?
TR 1045.
Yeah, 1045, yeah, it would have been good. But, all right, guys, see you in the next video.
With this card.
Yeah, with this card, yeah. Right, Nisha?